What is up, Scorpio? Welcome to your August 2021 Tarot and Astrology reading. Lego. Okay, so this is a pretty big month for you guys, okay? We are in Leo season, which is your 10th house of authority figures, your public image, your career, what you want to do out in the world. Basically a house that is very powerful. It's your future, it's the legacy that you're building, and we're having the sun home in Leo in its home sign. And so this is a time where you are really focusing on, are you being yourself in terms of what you want for your future, where you're going in the world, what you want to do. Are you able to express yourself authentically? You know what I mean? Also, authority figures, what's going on? You know what I mean? People in your life that maybe you feel have power over you. Power seems to be a big theme coming up for you guys in this reading. Power dynamics, power moves, and what power you have versus what power others have. Are you, I'm really kind of I'm getting a lot here, so just bear with me, okay, because it's a lot. I'm really kind of getting that you've been possibly trying to work something out for the sake of something material or physical, so career, job, relationship, but maybe you have a house together or, something like that. There's some kind of shared material interest here that is happening. But this month, so far with the Oracle cards that we got, is saying, like, you need to just go for it. There's some kind of, with the Wheel of Fortune and the Seven of Cups here reversed, it's kind of like, I feel like this month you're going to feel a push that's going to be very spiritual or synchronistic. It's not going to be like something that you're guessing. Like, you're just going to know, I need to fucking do this. I'm really getting these two cards together as like, take the fucking risk. There's some kind of risk that needs to be taken here. And it has something to do with empowerment or those in authority or those that you feel have power over you. Or career, something like that, maybe having your own business as well, or it could be a boyfriend. But I'm really getting that it's really important this month to make some kind of shift, make some kind of change, to take some kind of risk, because we also have the Warrior. And so this is like, don't give up. And we also have Stand Your Ground over here, which I'll show you in a minute. So this is like, don't give up. Okay, do not let somebody else dictate your life, right? Don't do it, and then we also have Underworld. So it's like basically fighting through something that may seem very dark or may seem like something that you're trapped in or something that you're stuck in. And it's like, don't give up. That's the message here, because we even have the Sovereign, which came out reverse. Don't give up your sovereignty. Don't, remember your sovereignty. Moving through this, warring through this darkness, the underworld, right? This lake of fears that you're in, which is very much Scorpio-like, right? This dark, deep water that you're in, keep trudging, keep going, keep moving through it, right? With the Sovereign reversed here, it's like, remember who you are, remember your own sense of power and worth, and don't give up. And by moving through this, I think you get to this, right? But I think that it's really time to be aware. I think this month is really showing you, Scorpio, where you've been possibly delusional, or where you haven't been aware of what you're worth, or where you haven't been aware of something that's been going on that maybe has not been that's been trapping you or making you feel like you don't have the power to do anything, like you're powerless. And so we have awareness, which is the Magician. Stand your ground, find a way. You have what you need. You have the sovereignty that you need to do this. You have the autonomy that you need to do this. Don't be afraid to stand your ground. We also have partnerships and alliances. So either maybe you have people that can help you And we do have Venus and Mars and Virgo. Mercury's moving into Virgo later this month, which is your 11th house of friends and alliances and partnerships. So not like relationships, but like actual like people that help you accomplish something. You know what I mean? People that support you, help you, etc. So yeah, you have people that can help you. On the other hand, this could be a situation in which, you know, a partner or alliance is the one you are, you know, dealing with here. And then we also have the crown chakra. So this is like waking the fuck up and saying, no fucking more, I'm done. Like, I'm not going to continue to sit here and let other people take my power away or, you know, dwell on how powerless I am or whatever. And then we have the revolutionary. So this is basically like, I'm busting out of this bitch. I'm doing something revolutionary. You know, this is a time to stand your ground, to take that risk, to put yourself out there, to let it all be known, to let it all out. You know what I mean? You don't have anything to lose, I feel, at this point. So fuck it, you know? Power moves is the name of the game here. You know, and I think this isn't something that needs to be thought about too much with Choose Wisely Reverse, which is basically the Seven of Cups. This isn't something that needs to be methodically planned or, you know, whatever. I think you should just do it. That's what the cards are telling me. Like, I think that you should just do it. You've been trying to make it work. You've been trying to find a solution. You've been working your ass off. And you've been the one doing all the work, it looks like here. You know what I mean? You've been the one trying. So, you know, it's time to try something new. It's time to stand your ground. Knight of Cups, which is your energy, right? It's time to stand your ground. For some of you, this could be family related. Once again, we have the Ten of Pentacles, though. Lovely. I don't know where that came from. Legacy, I meant. So you are, it's like you are mentally or emotionally trapped by something in the past. Look at this shit. The Emperor again. Wow. For some of you, this could be children as well. Like maybe you're trapped with your child's dad or with somebody because you have children or something. There's just some dark, kind of shady shit going on here. You know what I mean? And you feel like you can't get away, but you can. You can. You just need to make the judgment call. You need to do something. You need to get fired up and stand your ground. And not be afraid to express yourself and say, this is what it is. Let it all out. You know what I mean? Say what you got to say. Cut shit off. And it feels like destiny. It feels like, holy shit, that's what I was supposed to do. Holy shit, like I finally did it. You know? And then you get out of this fucking fuck shit energy. Hopefully this is resonating. I don't know who needs to hear this, but this is like, you know, you've been under an illusion, conditioned to believe in something or to see something, to be naive about something, and it's time to fucking go. And you have people that'll help you make this change, make this breakthrough, and allow you to leave whoever this controlling person or if it's people, whatever it is, behind and go on your merry fucking way. So, that's what I'm seeing in the cards, Scorpio. I don't know whose message that was. It may not be for all of you, but let's go over the astrology. If it isn't relating to you, it may relate to you later in the month. You don't fucking know that yet, so calm the fuck down. But let's see what else is going on here. So, sorry Scorpio, I don't know what fucking happened. My camera rudely cut me off, so let's try that again. Okay, so basically we have a Leo new moon on the 8th, and this is going to, well, fuck, I was talking about Venus and Virgo, so back up. So first, before the Leo new moon on August 8th, Venus is in Virgo. She's already been in here for a little bit, but she's going to start trining Uranus, okay, in Taurus. And this is a trine between your 6th and your 11th house. So friends, and also, your 7th and your 11th house. So it's going to be a massive time, like the first couple weeks, for relationships, doing something different, breaking out of your comfort zone, breaking out of your shell, doing something exciting, maybe taking a risk, that kind of energy, doing something revolutionary, etc., meeting new people, socializing, all of that. And then Venus is going to oppose Neptune. And this is happening in your 5th and 11th house. So this is going to be where maybe you're finally seeing through the bullshit when it comes to a relationship or some kind of situation in your life where it's like, okay, yeah, this is not what I thought it was. Or you may need to be careful, though, because it could also be that you are under someone's spell, so to say. Like, you meet someone and you see them completely differently than they actually really are, and you kind of like are in an illusion kind of mind space. So watch out for that, especially around the 9th, maybe even a few days before or after. Something, it's a great day for like creative shit or doing something creative or beauty related, but like not a great time, or could not be a great time if you are thinking about doing something random that is risky, that may be a little bit like not what you think it is. So watch out for that. So new moon in Leo on the 8th, that's in your 10th house sector. This is going to be a brand new beginning involving your career, your future, your legacy, what you want to do in your life, the world. Some kind of new energy is rolling in here. Some kind of new something is coming in here in that department. So other than that, Venus will enter Libra on the 16th. This is your 12th house. So this could be a time where, relationships even more come into the focus, because Libra rules relationships, and this is your 12th house. So this could be a time where you're addressing past situations, memories, reflecting, getting away, taking a break. For some, it could be like the end of a relationship, or it could just be taking a vacation with someone, something like that. Or it could just be addressing relationship patterns or habits, learning to kind of compromise in situations. And then we have a full moon on the 21st in your 4th house of home, family, and this is going to be kind of tying up the last month before that full moon. So we had the first full moon in Aquarius at the end of July, and this will be the second. So it's going to be a time where you're really kind of seeing a higher perspective of something that may have came up on that first full moon, where you are tying up loose ends, where maybe you are breaking free from certain patterns or ancestral karma or family dynamics or living arrangement situations or home situations that have been possibly stressful or pretty serious over the last month. So, and then at the very end of the month, Mercury enters Libra, where it will retrograde. Okay, so this is going to be a time where you really want to pay attention on August 29th, because the next couple months, Mercury will be retrograding in Libra, and a lot of shit will be coming up, especially to do with relationships and hidden things, or things that, this could be subconscious things, patterns, habits, healing that needs to be done in relationships, stuff like that. So anyways, but that's what I'm seeing for you guys, Scorpio. Hopefully this ended up resonating with you guys. Definitely let me know down below. And thank you for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my other videos.